2,500 miles, and we finally made it to Alaska North Pole. Let's go check it out.
What do you see over there?
Santa Claus.
How you doing? Wonderful. Have we been good this year? Well, Mrs. Claus, what do the elves say?
Top of a nice little too.
We flew 2,500 miles on a plane.
You did?
Yeah.
Wow. So where did you come from?
Arizona.
Arizona. It's hot down there, isn't it? Do you like our cool weather? It's nice, isn't it? But this is kind of like our autumn here. It's kind of like our fall. So, but they say it's going to snow anytime. So did you bring your snowshoes?
Hey guys, I wish I got a gaming computer. And I wish I got shotguns. Hey guys, we just found the workshop. Oh my god, there's a real reindeer over there. Look! Tommy! Dasher! They fly! You guys fly? No, the thing. I see my name! I see my name!